completing an AJAC apprenticeship, what that means to me is that I not only have the ability, but I also have the knowledge to go out into the world of manufacturing and machining and be able to make a difference. Not only for myself, but others around me. I can take the knowledge that I attained while doing my apprenticeship and give back to those who either haven't done an apprenticeship or are thinking about just starting out in the industry.
The message that I'd like to give our company's graduates is that we couldn't be more proud of all that you've accomplished, and being able to witness and see you from the beginning, from your very foundation to what you've accomplished today, and that this is just the beginning. To hang in there and to continue surrounding yourself with people that support you and encourage you.
Completing an AJAC apprenticeship to me is pretty much me going into the next step, and I can do more with what I completed.
As our economy continues to recover, industry-recognized credentials like the ones you have earned and post-secondary education is going to be even more important to fill those positions and to be able to help our economy grow. So what will you do now that you've completed this journey? We need you. We need you as instructors. We need you as mentors. Your organizations need you to be able to step up and to be able to pay forward the education and training that you've received.
Yes, I had some math skills, but not like they weren't really all there. But ever since I started this apprenticeship, I've absorbed some knowledge from good machinists and how they do things. I wouldn't say I'm pretty good at math now.
The job that I'm currently doing now, I don't think that I would be able to do that if I never went through the actual apprenticeship.
We'd like to thank our instructors who often work full-time and come 1 to 2 times a week to be able to pass along their knowledge to you. So to the instructors, thank you. To the employers who have supported you on the on-the-job training piece, which is a huge part of the program, we say thank you to the employers for supporting the apprentices through their journey. We also like to thank our college partners who have worked with us to allow us to use their facilities, but also to be able to attach college credit to the classroom piece of your instruction. We also like to thank our board and our committee who have been here from the beginning to be able to support you in this program, to include IEM 751, who has been here from the very beginning to support you and to support AJAC and to support the programs. To the AJAC staff who often work behind the scenes, we also like to thank you for supporting the apprentices through their journey. And last but not least, we want to be able to thank the family members who have supported you in the last 4 years or however long your apprenticeship program has been, while you're in class, while you're working, to be able to be that strong support and to be able to help you through this part of your journey. So in closing, I just wanted to say congratulations and that we are proud of you.